Mema wakwaba Edeba Kodan Academy. Me am a musician there from Samuel Ando Botry. The way you could dance introduction to programming with Python. Last week, you share conditionals as say na esua bibi fa conditionals so you share bibi a friend boolean expression. Bibi na share comparison operators. Na share kwan ya fa so uses our comparison operators e create boolean expression. Na we na use if and then the else keywords e create conditionals are. From there no yesanso creative programmer emma obi ho kwan se obeto aba na se sa nipa yi ontumi ento aba based on nipa no age awide wenya nti se nipa na nya 18 years ne above na se wenya 18 years ne de ebro sa program no emma no ho kwan a obetumi ato aba se nipa no age no below 18 years that's 17 16 15 14 downwards program no nipa no se there be we are under age na trying kosi se ubenya 18 years and sana why then watu aba na ya hwe sa program a ye create ye ya mo nyina mo bedi mi adanse se ye na ye use only one condition per nti the question is what if say me person me check for multiple conditions say me person me check for multiple conditions kwan ben so na me fa so check for multiple conditions. My school environment. On say school, I am not teachers for conduct class tests and I say you say end of term exams cry. And sa end of term exams we no based on score and I say marks are ubenya no and no na grade a de be ma. Nti say ubenya grade A, say ubenya grade B, say ubenya grade C and I say ubenya grade D and I say grade E and I say F no. We nyina agina den score and I say marks are ubetumi enya wo exams ne mu. Nti ya hwe sa scenario we ya what school settings yi mu a ye huni se ye mfa ni se ebia na me fa akwasi score nti sa akwasi etwa 80 a nti sa me fa akwasi score no na me hu se akwasi etwa 80 and then the ebro sa na se 80 plus a then akwasi anya grade A na mo sa akwasi grade no enye 80 plus na mo 70 plus dia then we nya grade B some mo 70 plus na 60 plus dia and the man C say 60 plus na 50 plus akwasi nya 50 column ho ba bia and the grade no ye den D sane be ya yan semra bebre no yan jump 40 na afa yan ko so obi obenya below 50 bia no let's say automatically nipa na nya den grade F nipa no FL nti ye hwe we ya ye hu se multiple condition nti ye fa akwasi score ye ba pass akwasi score you through this word grading score mu a check be bia akwasi da and I say grader I will say yedema akwasi. So in this case we are checking for multiple conditions. Into requirements so any so checking for multiple conditions you creating this particular program na you fancy how to create multiple conditions inside our Python program. You also control shift backtick na me fa terminal no embra na fe you create a new Python file to me type code na me Python file no the grade.py to me bo grade.py we am bo enter to me bo enter Python file no ebe create den ama me abro ye create Python file ewie no yen create variable score nti yen fa ni say ye pese ye prompt nipa no say nipa no enter den grade no nti say nipa no enter grade no we based on grade and nipa no be enter no na ya checking nipa no den grade awanya is say a grade if say grade A, B, C, D and I say grade then F. Nti ye be use int no. Now for inside the int you use input function no in order to what? To prompt the user. Nti yam prompting upon enter your score. The enter your score nti no yet the input function no ebe bua nipa no mana ebe prompting nipa no mana enter score nti o enter score no we na int function so convert no dey call integer data type nti abra nipa no enter the score we no afi say you creating multiple conditions no say if keyword na share sa conditions nyina ase nti dey kan be use if keyword no na afi yen check ehunu say nti ye hwa sa ye grading system ya ewa ha ya ye check say nipa no grade ni 80 plus ye mema nipa no A say nipa no grade ni 70 plus that is from 70 to 79 ye mema nipa no B say nipa no grade ni 60 plus anti 80 plus no net say 80 no eka ho nti with this no comparison operator ben e betumi use e dey create sa boolean expression a e betumi ama enti ye nyina yi tum say e betumi use greater than or equal to. Nti greater than or equal to operator ye check ehunu say oh sa score anase marks anase value ye dey ama me eye 80 pepepe anase buru 80 so. Nti eno na ye pese ye den ye nya ewa ha ye pese ye check ehunu say nipa no score no eye 80 pepepe anase eburu 80. So from 81 from 80 81 82 83 at the copy 100 nipa no enya grade A. Nti eno na ye use greater than or equal to the 80 to say score no greater than or equal to 80 then yen chere nipa ni say when you grade A na mom say score yi enye greater than or equal to 80 na che say aha na ebe use nti say you create another nti say you creating multiple condition no if you yen be use if keyword biem obi adwe be say be use if no biem e wa ha there be say person check for multiple conditions you use another keyword sa keyword ni elif nti you use sa elif keyword their full meaning else if nti e ready else if nti say ko test editor use you check if you see if the score is greater than or equal to 80 then nipa na grade A. Else if nti akwa it say you sound so check biem say nipa no score no enti saa and you check say it say ana so else if nti else if in a Python use elif original emani nti say type elif here right after elif no na boolean expression ayeden atwa so nti e pese e check biem say okay so score no ye greater than 80 and say ye 80 pepepa yen check we say score no ye greater than 70 and say ni 70 pepepe. The first condition no failure, then we move on to the second condition to check. So eno no credit then you bet you nipa say when you grade grade B. So nipa no grade enye 70 plus and I say 70 pepepe bi ma and yes also check biem say nipa no grade no 60 plus and nti ye be sanso use elif biem nti elif keyword no ye betumi use ne mpradudo bia ye den ye pe say ye conditions no end ye no ye betumi continue use sa elif keyword mpradudo bia ye pe nti right after the second elif keyword ye be sanso check biem say score ya nipa enyai is it greater than or equal to 60 the greater than or equal to 60 there that is a nipa yi enya grade then grade C. Yam prompting the pan say when you grade C and I say yam printing chain the pan say when you grade C. So and 60 plus there and there yes also when check biem and just say nipa score ya when you score ya nipa ya is it greater than or equal to 50? The greater than or equal to 50 and they were prompting the pan. You ever print your children nipa ni say when you grade D. That mom say enti saa dia ha na else keyword ebeba. Nti say abra ya check your condition as nyina wi aka last one na che say e betumi use else keyword no e wo ho de cover dia aka bia. Nti aha yen nyina nim say right after else keyword no boolean expression bia ayede ento aso na say condition bia ento aso nti say nipa no enya grade 80 and above nipa na enya 70 and above nipa na enya 60 and above nipa na enya 50 and above na je say nipa ni nya 50 below nti e be che nipa ni say when you 50 below there and there your grade is what when your grade F with the elif keyword you betumi use elif keyword no mpradudo bia ye penti e pese check for multiple conditions inside our programmer sa kwan we so and e fa so check for multiple conditions nti always first condition be beginning with the if keyword na boolean expression ayden atwa so right after if keyword ni boolean expression na face here another condition bi mo a ye pese sounds we check bi mo na ye use elif keyword ya ejina wo else if na right after elif no so no na boolean expression ayeden ato aso nti aha de ye ne say e be prompt nipa ne say nipa no enter score wenya wo exams ni mo either ICT computing or science na nipa no enter score wi a na afi ya check say score no is it greater than or equal to 80 greater than or equal to 80 dia na ya check nipa say wenya grade A nti de etiane say first condition no e be true a interpreter no en check the other conditions ni biem nti e be run print grade A na e chere nipa say wenya grade A on movie and ko check the other conditions ebiem na mom say first condition e be me force dia na fe interpreter na movie and say computer no be movie to the second condition na akwa check sa second condition no ahwe oh sa second condition so mama check is it true is the person's score greater than or equal to 70 so eno so e me force na asanso movie to the third condition akwa check okay so nipa grade yan 70 and I said the eboro sa de mama check is it 60 or above 60 nti say 60 and I say above 60 na a print grade C nti interpreter no be run e be check all the conditions one after the other the be man true bia no the aka bia no interpreter no and check biom nti na you see if elif any else sa kwan we so any faso e dey check for multiple arguments Abraham creative program here yanko back to the terminal na yen running program en hwe say e be ya adwuma pepepe senia ye pe no ana nti ye be type python na file name ni grade.py ti ma type grade.py ewie ma me mbo enter ti me bo enter e be prompt me say enter your score nti em fa ni say nipa no etwa 90 nti 90 ye bo enter e be chere say grade A so ye go back to your code here you will say yes 90 is greater than 80 90 is greater than 80 nti first condition no am I true and the aka ni nyina no interpreter no m1 no ho a enye den enkonkwohwe bie aha nti sa na interpreter no edi ni dwuma say you use if elif any else enyina ebomu a first edi nkan check first condition e man force now running and moving to the second condition and so man force now moving to the third condition and so man force now moving to the fourth condition and so man force say big kan wa now moving to all the other conditions and nyina man force na say nyina man force dia na fe na follow to the else keyword no na running code bia e else keyword no ase nti yansan go back to the terminal no bie na yan running program no bie python grade.py member enter na fe mama yesa nipa no twa 40 just am say nipa no twa 40 nti 40 grade depend na nipa yi ebenya ye bo enter mo se be prompt here say grade F nti grade F ye hu say 40 no nti say hwe 40 a ye hu say 40 is not greater than or equal to 80 say ye hwe 40 it is not greater than or equal to 70 ye hwe 40 be it is not greater than or equal to 60 ye hwe 40 be it is not greater than or equal to 60 nti we mu nyina ma ye force dia na afi senior man else keyword no so apaganity abagasa ene nipa no enya grade F nti sa kwan we so ene faso check for multiple conditions inside Python programming language ti ma me run sa code DBA na yamfa ne say nipa yi etwa 60 ti say nipa yi twa 60 a ye bo a be won say be me grade C nti grade C ne ka say so be twa 60 a so if the score is greater than or equal to 60 you be man grade C so the program is working as we want. Abraya hwe kwan fa so check for multiple conditions. You can say create Python calculator na a prompting nipa for two numbers na fe add sa two numbers am I edin a edema sa program na ye calc so me go terminal no so na me type code calc.py na me bo enter nti me bo enter e be bie sa program no ama me nti sa program we na e create here na e check a prompting nipa for two numbers so number 1 na a prompting nipa say enter number 2 na prompting nipa say enter what another number nti the eba be ni say nti yɛma saa program we ɛnyɛ a little bit what interactive as compared to only adding numbers. Afei yɛsua kwan a yɛfa so make decisions inside our program. Nti ha yɛn prompting nipa no as usual for the two numbers. Na afei yɛn prompting nipa no for operator. Ti sɛ nipa no enter operator na based on the operator nipa no be enter no. Na afei ya performing calculations a nipa no pɛ sɛ yɛ nipa no pɛ sɛ o performing. Nti sɛ nipa no enter operator addition operator now that is a nipa no person or these are two numbers. So nipa no enter operator, that's the minus operator now. No person or subtracting those two numbers. So nipa no enter the multiplication operator, that is or person multiply those two numbers. So nipa no enter the division operator. So ani who say nipa no person or divide those two numbers. And let me propose that we create another variable over here called operator. Now for yam prompting nipa no ma na enter the operator ope. Nti yen use input function no right away because yen convert it and as yen is some operator no to any other data type. Nti yen use input function no right away. Nti operator no ba be string data type by default. Nti yen prompting nipa to enter operator. Na yen try nipa no say operators say na yeah here so here the multiplication operator, here the minus operator, here the addition operator, and then the division operator. These are operators see and the here good. This a nipa no enter operator we are then yen checking the kind of operator nipa ebe enter anti enyina im say betumi use if. And the if operator is equal to the can check is operator no the addition operator now. And this operator no the addition operator there, and then it means any person add two numbers. And it's about to print it. Into print addition, comma. Now after yeah, these are two numbers here, manipano. So number 1 plus number 2. Yes, into your check operator no the plus operator, not just any person add the then also operator in here the plus operator. Then you see LFE and check the kind of operator. So here plus operator there and then operator. So here plus operator then the operator no minus operator. Now your minus operator there. Then you who is any person or subtract those two numbers. In the ever print subtraction. Now for comma. Now yen number 1 minus number 2. So yen addition na yen subtraction yen check elif bm. Na yen share if operator elif else if the operator is equal to the multiplication operator, not just any paper then or multiplying t, you print it to the user. Multiplication number 1 times number 2. Say plus and minus na multiplication and the check is a division operator na a division operator ni dia yen nyina yin say yen to me n divided by 0 into with division no yen to me divided by 0 e be 10 divided by 0 there be ebe error. We can't divide by 0. Denominator yen to me by 0 into with this one yen check is if number 2 in this case in the numerator and the number 2 into if number 2 is not equal to 0. It's not equal to 0. The check if number 2 is not equal to 0. So you equal to 0 there. Divide the number into you print division. Yama comma number 1 divided by number 2. Into with division we can't divide by 0. We can't divide by 0. If we can't divide by 0, the end you will see a check number. You're checking is a number na one number 2 no more denominator no. enye 0 ana se enye 0 dia and ye be to aso a divide number 1 and then number 2 na mom say 0 dia yen use else no enfa nche nipa ne say sorry, you cannot divide by 0. You cannot divide by 0. The way for the division operator no. So nipa no use division operator no dia and there was say check when is a number na e one number 2 no mu no enye 0. So enye 0 dia and there betumi continue to divide the two numbers. But say 0 dia and there was say check nipa no say sorry, you can't divide by 0. And this enye plus, enye subtraction, enye multiplication, enye division there. And the next is a user no and type the right operator and you print it to the user that please enter the right operator. Na yemfa operators a ye hia no ento aso. And yes, see as our program way add numbers abribia but here no ye get 2 numbers from the user na afi the prompting nipa ne say on type operator or person already or you see it is any nipa type operator or person or you see we are based on operator no no e be kire say are we adding the number, are we subtracting the number, are we multiplying the number, and I say we are dividing the number. Nti ya create a program we yanko ya terminal ne so na yan run this program and say e be adwuma send ye pe no pepepe ana what terminal you enter python calc.py na me enter syntax error, invalid syntax. So say line 10. So let me go back to line 10. So what is happening here on line 10? So good. I think I'm not checking. So operator is supposed to come here. Operator equal good. So what just happened is known as syntax error. So I'm going to terminal issue once again. Now I'm enter python calc.py. Member enter. After our program is running. So enter first number. Now member 10. Second number. And member 5. Me bob yoma a chram is enter operator. Operator by an person use my meaning can you see multiplication operator. To me bob enter. Most about multiply numbers, I'm a better some multiplication 50. That is 10 multiplied by 5 a 50. I mean class to be na me run me program be na me more 10 na me sign 5 na me use the plus operator. The me use plus operator, it means we want to what add. Tell me 15. Mama sign use and run the program be na 10 be na me sign 5 be na fe mama use the minus operator. To me use minus operator na better me say the answer is 5. Now me some running program EBM. Now this time round member 10. Now member 0. The member 0 operator me person use here division. The nyina we say we can divide by 0. The end to me divided by 0. The member enter. Better me say sorry, you cannot divide by 0. Nti there ye check e wa ha no. Ye adwuma send there ye pe pepepe nti ehwa nti ye check operator is equal to division. Say equal to division then you be check the number 2 no and then you save on number 2 no say 0 then you be check nipa say no sorry, you cannot divide by 0. So and yes 0 there and then we can continue to do our division. So my run this program EBM na so python calc.py na member 10 na for instead of 0 my member 5 na operator me use division me bo enter I bet you say 2.0. This point way so any of us to create multiple conditions inside Python programming.